The engineering design process is a series of steps that engineers follow to come up with a solution to a problem. Many times the solution involves designing a product like a machine or computer code, or a process like a new procedure that meets certain criteria and or accomplishes a certain task. Throughout the development of your unit, you will use this process. Your students will also use this process to create a solution to the design challenge you create for them. Each step is further illustrated in this video so that you can approach your unit development just as an engineer would in the engineering world. The first step in the process is to identify and define the problem you're trying to solve. To define the problem, select the appropriate learning standards and define the learning objectives for your unit. In the Gather Information step, you will begin your search for appropriate unit ideas on such outline resources as Teach Engineering, Engineering is Elementary, Link Engineering, or the University of Cincinnati's SEAMS MSP database of classroom-tested lesson plans, just to name a few. You might also brainstorm unit ideas with your coach or fellow teacher and begin to identify possible engineering design challenges based on the standards you've selected. As you continue to develop your unit plan, you will no doubt think of alternative engineering design challenges and lesson content. As the lesson begins to further crystallize, you will be introduced to an alternative method of introducing your challenge in the classroom using challenge-based learning techniques. You should now be ready to complete the documentation of your unit for the selected engineering design challenge. As you complete your plans, write them so that other teachers might take advantage of your work. Once you get to this point, the hard work is done. You're now ready to turn your students loose on the engineering design challenge. This is where you will step out of your role as lecturer and serve as their coach. Once you've completed the unit, you will evaluate the unit using the post-implementation checklist. This will allow you to reflect on what you would do differently next time. After completing your reflection, don't forget to update your unit plan so you're ready to deliver your unit in the future. Keep in mind that another teacher might like to use your unit, so add enough detail to allow them to replicate your success. If your unit meets our standard of excellence, it will be added to our unit database and made available to other teachers for their use. Always keep in mind that one of the most important aspects of developing your unit is communication. Communicating with other teachers and your coach as you develop your unit is critical to your success. The engineering design process, a great tool for solving most any problem.